Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is one of the most influential personal development and self-help books ever written. Published in 1937 during the Great Depression, the book is based on Hill's earlier work, The Law of Success, and his extensive study of the lives of successful individuals over 20 years. Hill conducted interviews with over 500 successful men and women, including Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, and Alexander Graham Bell, to distill the principles that led to their success. The result is a timeless classic that has sold millions of copies and continues to inspire readers around the world. Napoleon Hill begins the book by stating that it is not merely about financial wealth, but about achieving success in any field. The principles outlined in the book can be applied to attain any goal, whether it be financial, personal, or professional. Hill emphasizes that thoughts are things, meaning that the mind has the power to shape reality. This central idea forms the foundation of the book's teachings. Hill presents the book as a manual for achieving wealth and success, structured around 13 key principles. These principles are designed to help individuals harness the power of their thoughts, develop a burning desire for success, and cultivate the necessary mindset and habits to achieve their goals. The 13 Principles of Success. 1. Desire. The starting point of all achievement. Hill argues that a burning desire is the starting point for all achievement. This desire must be strong, unwavering, and focused on a specific goal. Hill illustrates this principle with the story of Edwin C. Barnes, who had a burning desire to work with Thomas Edison. Barnes's desire was so strong that he was willing to start as a mere assistant and worked his way up to becoming Edison's business partner. 2. Faith. Visualization and belief in the attainment of desire. Faith is the ability to visualize and believe in the attainment of your desires. Hill explains that faith is developed through affirmations and repeated suggestions to the subconscious mind. By constantly reinforcing positive thoughts and beliefs, individuals can cultivate an unshakable faith in their ability to achieve their goals. 3. Autosuggestion, the medium for influencing the subconscious mind. Autosuggestion is the process of feeding the subconscious mind with positive thoughts and affirmations. Hill emphasizes the importance of repeating affirmations daily to program the subconscious mind for success. The subconscious mind, when influenced by positive autosuggestion, helps to manifest the desires and goals held in the conscious mind. 4. Specialized knowledge, personal experiences or observations. Hill distinguishes between general knowledge and specialized knowledge. While general knowledge is widely available, it is specialized knowledge that leads to success. He advises readers to acquire specialized knowledge relevant to their goals and to continuously seek out opportunities for learning and growth. 5. Imagination, the workshop of the mind. Imagination is the creative force behind all great achievements. Hill describes two types of imagination: synthetic imagination, which involves rearranging existing ideas, and creative imagination, which taps into the subconscious and universal intelligence to generate new ideas. Hill encourages readers to use their imagination to solve problems, create plans, and visualize their success. 6. Organized planning, the crystallization of desire into action. A clear and organized plan is essential for achieving success. Hill stresses the importance of developing a detailed plan and taking immediate action. He advises readers to form a mastermind group, a network of like-minded individuals who can provide support, feedback, and resources to help achieve the desired goal. 7. Decision, the mastery of procrastination. Successful individuals are decisive and take action without hesitation. Hill warns against the dangers of procrastination and emphasizes the importance of making decisions promptly and sticking to them. He notes that successful people make decisions quickly and change them slowly, if at all, while unsuccessful people do the opposite. 8. Persistence, the sustained effort necessary to induce faith. Persistence is the ability to continue working towards a goal despite obstacles and setbacks. Hill highlights that persistence is a state of mind that can be cultivated through determination and willpower. He provides examples of how persistence has led to the success of many great leaders and inventors. 9. The mastermind, the driving force. The mastermind is a group of individuals who come together to support each other in achieving their goals. Hill explains that the mastermind principle is based on the idea that when two or more minds work together in harmony, they create a third, more powerful mind. This collective mind can generate ideas, provide encouragement, and amplify the success of each member. The mystery of sex transmutation. Harnessing sexual energy. Hill introduces the concept of sex transmutation, which involves channeling sexual energy into creative and productive endeavors. He argues that sexual energy is one of the most powerful human drives, and when redirected, can fuel ambition, creativity, and achievement. 11. The subconscious mind, the connecting link. The subconscious mind is the link between the conscious mind and universal intelligence. Hill explains that the subconscious mind is constantly at work, influencing thoughts, actions, and decisions. By feeding the subconscious mind with positive thoughts and affirmations, individuals can align their subconscious with their conscious goals and desires. 12. The brain, a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. Hill likens the brain to a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. He suggests that the brain can pick up and transmit thoughts, both consciously and subconsciously. By focusing on positive thoughts and surrounding oneself with positive influences, individuals can attract success and opportunities into their lives. The sixth sense, the door to the temple of wisdom. The sixth sense, or intuition, is the final principle in Hill's philosophy. He describes it as a form of hunch or inspiration that comes from within. The sixth sense is developed through the consistent practice of the other principles and allows individuals to tap into universal intelligence for guidance and insight. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Also, what do you think about democracy in America? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.